Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards, Gemini. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Gemini. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, Gemini. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Two of Spheres, Two of Stars, and Three of Stars in reverse. So, Gemini, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are trying to find that balance today, trying to adapt. Maybe you may see some difficult circumstance, something that needs a lot of efforts from your side, lot of attention, and you are trying to work really hard, and you may have many distractions coming in your situation, maybe in your work, something that is affecting the way you work, the way your work potential. So you need to do things with more concentration and more efforts if you want to see success today. And you are trying to do things the right way, trying your best, maybe. And all your efforts are going to bring you some kind of change, a positive change today, guys. Maybe all that confusion or doubts you had is going to clear up. The obstacles you faced in your work, that may clear up. And maybe in this relationship, you would have had some arguments or some stressful fights with this person, and you did not know where things will go, whether this person will forgive you or whether they will leave you. So you are afraid that this person may, what to say, leave you because of these arguments or these fights. But maybe even they will be thinking of moving away from you. But with these cards, I feel that they will understand the friendship you both share. So, with these cards, it looks like you have a great friendship going, and you both are very close to each other, sharing each other's secrets, and there are no secrets between you both. And you will get to that understanding. So maybe this person will come back even if they are away right now, Gemini. They are definitely coming back. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Lovers in reverse. So every situation will have a lot of problems, guys. And even in this, in your relationship, it has its own share of problems. So some things you need to deal with, maybe something not going right, some kind of an uncertainty, something, what to say, some kind of expectation you may have over this person. They may have some expectations over you, but when it is not matching, There may be some problems, issues, and whatever it may be, Gemini, things are taking a positive turn. That is what I see with these cards. So they will realize your love and they will come back to you. So for your career circumstance, we picked one card. We will see what it is. So it's the Chariot in reverse. So in your work, maybe you are, what to say, you are too ambitious for something, or you're having a lot of plans, or you're expecting a lot of things in your work. Maybe you must think and plan practically, so whatever is achievable for you. If you think that way, you are sure to reach success very soon, Gemini. So that is the energy with these cards, Gemini. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Gemini. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's see what is the first card. We will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have mending. So in your circumstances today, maybe it is time for you to heal yourself. Maybe you have been through a difficult circumstance, or you're going through a difficult heartbreak, and grief strips away our mask and loosens us, and sometimes we are so vulnerable, and it allows to see that we are part of a larger scheme called life, and we are part of that universe that is here, taking part in our pain and suffering, and none of us are immune to pain and suffering. So this sadness and sorrow, it breaks our heart open, and we will feel more sympathetic, empathetic, and we depend on others when we are really vulnerable, having a lot of pain, a lot of difficulty to deal with our situation, guys. So that is the energy here. So even that pain, it has a learning that comes to us, that changes us in so many ways, and it changes us to something better. And maybe today we can change our circumstance, all this pain we are going through. Maybe we are with this person, or maybe we are separate, whatever the situation may be. Both of us are being affected, being hurt, and we feel that impact of this pain and sadness. So this energy needs to be healed, and you need to overcome this. What to do? It is time for you to forgive, or to release all that hurt, all that negative feelings you have, and make amends to set yourself free first. So it is not to change some circumstance. It is we are helping ourselves first when we give up all these toxic feelings of pain and hurt, regret or sadness, resentments, arguments, whatever it may be. When we go through it again and again in our heart of hearts, in our memory, we are increasing the burdens we have, and we will feel more negative, more sad, and more heavy hearted. So if you want to change all that, you need to go for forgiveness. and you need a honest redress. That is what this card is about. So if you feel that someone has wronged you, you can forgive them. Or if you feel that you have wronged someone, you can ask sorry, make amends, and move forward with your life. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, this is a crystal spirits card, guys. It is Labradorite. So, with this card, the energy is that maybe you must, give up all that fear you have in this relationship and be open, remain open to something unknown, something magical to happen in this connection, because conscious universe is here to help you and guide you in this relationship, and it is creating this magical magical connection with this person. So that loving partnership that you are dreaming about, this is the time for that. So, your relationship has a great potential. You may not understand it, but this is an opportunity for you to experience that magic in this relationship. Or it is an important opportunity that will prepare you for something magical coming in your life, coming in your love life that you deserve. And you need to give up that need for certainty, need for things to go in the way you expect them to go. So when we are open to some changes, open to something unexpected, we will see guidance coming in our life, guidance helping in our relationship. And when we leave room for magic, something beautiful is waiting to unfold today that will point you towards the right direction, point you towards the right actions, and will make this relationship a loving one, a deserving one, something you deserve the most. So you need to let that conscious universe or God or that higher spirit help you to co-create it today. So when you give up all that expectations in this connection, that is what is going to happen today, guys. And this crystal spirit, it helps us to see things that we do not see normally. Maybe it just means that we must see things with our heart, not with our mind. When we do that, we will see a beautiful world, a beautiful circumstance today. And that is the energy with this crystal spirit card for y'all, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.